Be honest with yourself. If your first thought every morning is escape, escape into your phone, escape into sleep, escape into weekends, something is wrong. Not with your job, not with your luck, with the life you're building. Most people don't hate life, they hate how their days feel. That's why they chase distractions, that's why they numb themselves at night. You don't need a vacation, you need a better structure. Let's talk about how to build a life you don't need to run from. Habit 1. Stop designing your life around relief. Many people plan their day around relief. Coffee breaks, scrolling breaks, weekend escapes. Real problem? Your life is built to survive the day, not grow. Solution: design days around progress. One hard task first, one skill-building block, one physical effort. Progress reduces the need to escape. Habit 2. Create clear endings to your days. When days blur together, life feels endless and heavy. Real problem? No closure, no reset. Solution: create a daily shutdown ritual. Review what you did, plan tomorrow, disconnect intentionally. A clean ending gives peace, not distraction. Habit 3. Replace cheap escapes with real recovery. Binging shows, mindless scrolling, late-night junk. Real problem? You confuse escape with recovery. Solution: recover on purpose. Walks, reading, sleep, silence. Recovery should refill you, not numb you. Habit 4. Build pride through small daily wins. A life you don't escape from is built on self-respect. Real problem? You end days feeling empty. Solution: end each day with a win. Train, learn, create. Pride is the opposite of escape. Habit 5. Stop living on autopilot. Autopilot kills joy slowly. Same habits, same routes, same distractions. Real problem? Unconscious living. Solution: make deliberate choices. Choose your mornings, choose your evenings, choose your priorities. Intentional living feels lighter. A life you love is not built in big moments. It's built in ordinary days done with discipline. Less escape, more structure, more intention. You don't need to run away when your life feels right. No noise, only discipline.